Hey guys, it's Vaughn, and today I'm bringing you guys a hair and beauty video. I've been wanting to share with you guys my kind of ponytail technique for a while now because I've been doing these styles a lot. You guys, ponytails are my absolute favorite these days, and a lot of you have also been asking me about the hair brand that I've been using, and I want to share that in today's video as well. I'm actually really excited about the hair that I used for today's look because it is this hair. It's called Strands Hair Boutique. This is actually a brand new launch from one of my best friends, Nini. You guys know her. She has appeared in so many of my vlogs, and I'm really proud of her and excited that she has launched a line of hair. So for today's look, I'm using her raw Indian body wave in the length 20 inches. So it's really the perfect length for the look that I was going for. Super affordable and easily accessible. All you have to do is visit strandshairboutique.com to order your bundles. I had so much fun filming this video, and I cannot wait to share with you guys how easy and quick this hairstyle is. So if you are interested in this look, then keep on watching. All right, ladies, let's get started. I think what's unique about this video is that we're starting off on natural, shrunken, curly, kinky type 4 hair. So my hair is not straightened, blow dried, or any of that, and we are not using any heat to get this hairstyle started. So this is truly a damage-free transformation, and it's gonna be quick and it's gonna be cute. And I don't know about you guys, but quick and cute is what I am all about. So with this ponytail, we are going to figure out where we're gonna set it, and I was thinking about doing it kind of mid ponytail. So in order to get my hair to cooperate with this, I'm going to have to wet it down. There's no way around it. Now for my previous hairstyle, there was already some leftover leave-in conditioner, so my hair was pretty manageable, but I want to make it even more manageable on the detangle. So I'm going to add a little quarter size amount of this Head & Shoulders Royal Oils Deep Moisture Mask. It is absolutely one of my favorites. It detangles on contact, and I'm applying some of this deep moisture mask specifically to my edges because I know I'm going to be applying a very strong gel, which I'll show you guys in a moment. Now to keep with my damage-free methodology, I really want to detangle my hair carefully. I don't want to rush through this, so I am going to break my hair down into 4 sections. And believe it or not, breaking the hair down into sections like this helps you to get through the detangling process a lot quicker versus trying to detangle the hair all at once. And the whole point of doing this, right, the whole point of detangling the hair is to get it to really behave and slick down, because what you don't want is a ponytail that is not truly sleek, and there's lumps and there's areas of hair that are chunky, and you can see those kind of lumps and bumps all over the place. Really looks amateur. So this is definitely a step you don't want to skip. This probably added about 7 minutes to my routine, but that's fine. It was totally worth it. All right, once it's all detangled, I'm just going to kind of separate the top half a little bit and push the hair into the area where I want the ponytail to exist. Then I'm going to reach for my ORS olive oil jelly glaze and hold, you guys. This is truly the hack, the magic potion to this hairstyle, so I'm definitely going to apply this in a generous amount on the top and bottom and the whole perimeter of my hair and start slicking it back. The other hack is this nylon hair tie. I get these from my local beauty supply. These go on so tight and really makes my ponytail nice and taut, and it's easy to go on and it stays in place. The only downside is that these do stretch over time, so you have to replace them often. The loose hair in the ponytail, I just braided it and put a rubber band on the end, and now I'm just kind of slicking my edges in a more detailed kind of fashion, so making sure that they are all going in the right direction and trying to do some little baby hairs. Okay, I usually like to try to have all of that done before I put on my scarf so that everything can set together, because this gel is pretty serious, and if you kind of don't do your baby hairs at this stage, you kind of ain't gonna have baby hairs, because it's really tough to move this gel without wetting it. But anyway, I'm just applying a second scarf just to make sure that my hair doesn't have any frizzies, because that will absolutely ruin the look. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and attach my ponytail. Now this is the hair, you guys. This is Strands Hair Boutique. The overall presentation is really nice when you order your Strands hair. It comes in this nice satin yet practical drawstring bag. I love using this to store my hair. And right out of the back, you guys, it smells freshly washed, smells really, really nice, and you can just tell that the quality is there. The hair comes out bouncy, shiny, and already detangled. For today's look, I'm using the Virgin Indian body wave hair in 20 inches, but you could go longer or shorter just depending on how you want your ponytail to come out. You can definitely use this hair over and over again, and it's going to maintain its quality. You just have to apply the proper maintenance for it, and you guys can learn more about that on the website, but I'll tell you a little bit about my process in just a moment. So here's how I'm going to turn that wefted hair into a ponytail. So I have these self-adhering clips that I got from my local beauty supply. I love these, you guys, because they are are so easy to apply right to that track. These are cool because you don't need to sew, you don't need to have any skills. All you need to do is figure out where on the track you want the clip to go, and you literally just connect it and then it's ready to be applied to your hair. It's really that simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply only 3 because we don't need a whole bunch. These clips are kind of bulky and I want them to be concealed easily, so we're only gonna do 3. I did 1 on each end of the track and then 1 right in the middle. And if I didn't mention this before, this is hella beginner friendly, so it's an amateur technique made to look professional, so keep that in mind. It's all about the illusion that you sat in the salon all day. But anyway, back to the tutorial. So I'm pulling off my scarf. As you guys can see, it's a little bit stuck on the side and we ended up with a little bit of white residue, but that's okay because we're just going to use a damp towel to wipe it off and it will get it all off, trust me. This gel was designed for laying wigs, so it's very, very strong, which is why I like to use it for these ponytails, but you do have to be careful. So now it's time to go ahead and start creating this ponytail. So what we're going to do is start off with one end of this long track where we have that clip, and we're going to just find a comfortable place along the ponytail to apply it. And your ponytail doesn't have to be really long. I would say as long as you have like a good 2 inches of hair, you should be able to do this. But the next step is just to wind that track going up the ponytail, kind of like you're stacking it on top of one another and just making your way up the ponytail. And once you get to that middle part of your track, you're going to come across that middle clip that you apply, and you're just going to comfortably set that one into the ponytail braid as well. Now this is a super easy process, but here are a few housekeeping tips and best practices, right? So make sure that those tracks are not flipped or anything. Make sure that they're all aligned, and also make sure that you are wrapping this thing pretty tight because there is no glue involved, there is no sewing involved, so you want to make sure that these tracks are going to stay in place at least to get you through the day. You don't want anything sliding down, and really the friction of that weft up against that braid is going to stay. At least for me, I have never had an issue. But you do want to make sure that you're pulling it pretty taut and that you're taking your time to lay it flat. Once you get it all the way to the base of the ponytail, you're going to obviously apply that final last clip. Make sure that you are concealing it. Make sure that all the hair is falling the way you want it, that this is the right length for you. All of that investigating and evaluating needs to happen at this stage, because if you don't like it, you will have time to do it over. And I even had to readjust the ponytail a little bit just to make sure I was comfortable with it. But the final step is to take a chunk of hair from the bottom and just wrap it around the base of that ponytail. This is just going to secure the ponytail a little bit better, but also cover those tracks. So it's going to look a lot more flawless if you do this. You want to tie it around itself pretty tightly and tuck it in. You can apply a bobby pin just for some extra security if you want, but the key to locking this in is to spray it with a hold spray. I'm just using the olive oil Fix It. And this is a super hold spray, so it's pretty good. For today's look, I could have added a little bit more, and next time I definitely will, because my ponytail started to get a little loose. The wrapped around part, it got a little loose before I needed it to. So next time I'm definitely going to add a whole lot more spray. But other than that, I would say it turned out pretty good. So now I'm just combing the hair out a bit, not because it needs to be detangled, but because once you rake that, brush through it, it looks a little bit more natural, as you can see here. So I'm just getting it to look like fluffy and natural and everything. And my final step is to do my makeup. So I'm just applying some foundation and some contouring and all that good stuff. So we're going to zoom through this part, but while we're doing our makeup, let's talk a quick bit about maintaining this ponytail. So with all of the harsh gel that I used, I know that I'm going to need to wash my hair after I wear this style. I can't go from wearing this style to anything else really. That said, I'm probably going to wear it for a week. Each night I remove the hair extensions and place them on my nightstand, and sometimes I'll just wrap a scarf around my hair to maintain my natural hair. The next day I'll spritz my edges with a little water and then just kind of readjust the baby hairs and stuff with a brush, and then I reapply those tracks to the ponytail like you saw me do today. And then when this is all over, I will shampoo the gel out. And that has been working so well for me. So here is the final look. We are all done, hair done, makeup done, feeling real cute. Now, because I was filming a hair tutorial today, I saved the makeup for last, but normally I would be doing my makeup while my hair is setting under that scarf. So in total, in real time, this never takes me more than 20 minutes from start to finish. So y'all, I would highly recommend this hair. It's such good quality. I've used it now for about a week and a half and I'm so impressed. But even if you don't get this hair, get you some curly tracks so you can do this ponytail, because honey, I be feeling so cute. and this is so quick. I just think it's such a smart idea to get cute fast. And here I am getting dressed for the day. This is what I wore. It's so sporty and cute, y'all. I was shutting them down with my little Fashion Nova look with my little Air Max 90s. The perfect mix of comfy, cute, quick, and affordable. So that is it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You will notice that this ponytail is so easy to do, and just like me, you will become addicted and you'll be wanting to do it all the time. My friend Nini and I are actually partnering on an Instagram giveaways. So you guys watching right now have a chance to enter. All you have to do is head over to Instagram and follow StrandsHB. And then there's a picture of me on their Instagram. Go to that picture, like it, comment below, enter me, tag 3 of your friends, and you will be entered for a chance to win bundles of your own. I want to send you guys the exact hair that I used for today's look. So if you want to have a chance to win, make sure you head over to Instagram. The more comments you post, the higher your chances are of winning. So post, post, post. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's look, and I will talk to you in my next one. Mwah. Bye.